Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Here we have a Ford Transit 350 HD. This is a 2016 version. This one has the 3.7 natural aspirated engine, and this version goes up to 2019. In 2020 they changed to a 3.5 version, but this one is the previous one. So we're gonna do the oil change. So let's get started. So these are the things you're gonna need. First of all, we have the oil filter. This one is a Fram brand. This is the reference XG10575. We have 6 quarts of 5W20 full synthetic blended oil. And if you want also to change the air filter, this is the filter reference as well. FA 1916 Motorcraft brand. This is the original. I bought all these parts in rockauto.com. I'm gonna leave the link down below here in the description if you want to get the same oil on the same parts. Alright, so coming underneath the car, so we're gonna lay in this cardboard so you're not gonna stay in the cement, so make sure to protect it. We're gonna look for this subframe right here, this one, as you see, and we're gonna look for these bolts right on the side of the oil pan right here. This one is a number 15 socket wrench. Alright, and coming this way towards the front, we have the oil filter right here. So this filter has a real easy access. We can just take it off from here. But first of all, we're gonna drain the oil, taking off this bolt right here. And here we have this small box to collect the oil, and then I can put it back into the original containers, so I can take it to Home Depot for the correct disposal. So let's begin by taking off this bolt. This is a number 15 wrench. Right, so just make sure to have your oil container ready. So get it as much as close as possible. Alright. Alright, so now it's dripping slowly, but as the oil drains, it's gonna slightly change the dripping angle. So just make sure to have a wide enough container, or try to get as close as possible to the dripping bolt. You see, we didn't stain the floor, just a little bit right here, but that's it. It was just a few drops. Alright, I'm gonna wipe and put back the bolt. Just like this. Okay. So I don't like to over tight these bolts because this is aluminum and it's delicate, especially the threads, so you don't want to lose them. Alright, so now we're gonna remove what is the oil filter. It's located right here. Oil is gonna drip as well. Make sure to have the container ready. Alright, so now what I like to do is I like to wipe where the new oil filter sits on, just like this, as you see. So now it's clean, and we're gonna install the new one. Strip it again. Gonna put the new one. Here we go. And I don't like to over tight my filters, so I'm just gonna tighten it by hand, use as much as I can with one hand, and that will be enough. And that's it. That's perfect. So now the seal is squished, and it has a perfect seal along the ring, so it's not gonna drip any oil. Alright, so here back in the engine, I'm gonna take off the cap. You see, this is the recommended viscosity, 5W20. We're gonna use 5W20 oil. All set. Alright. We're gonna put back right here. And that's it. And this is how you change the engine oil in a Ford Transit 350 HD. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time. Now we're gonna change the air filter. To do so, we have to take off these clamps right here. Here's the first one, and here's the second one. There we go. We can lift this up. Alright, now we're gonna take off this clamp. This is a flat screwdriver. That's enough to change the filter. We're gonna check it out. Alright, so you see, the filter is ready to be changed. It's time to change it. It's dusty, so we can change it up. We're gonna put the new one. So this is the filter, Motorcraft brand. I'm gonna leave the link down below here in the description, so you can get it from rockauto.com also. Good price, original spare parts. Here we have the new one from Mobil brand. Okay, we're all set. Now we're gonna attach the second clamp. There we go. Finally, we're gonna attach the hose. And that's it. This is how you change the oil filter, and the air filter in this Ford Transit 350 HD 2016 3.7 liters, naturally aspirated. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time. I just returned the used oil on Home Depot, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe.